Máté Kocsis is a Hungarian jurist, sports administrator and politician who served as mayor of Józsefváros from 2009 to 2018. He also represents Józsefváros in the National Assembly of Hungary from 2010 to 2014 and since 2018. He is the current leader of the Fidesz parliamentary group. Since 2015 he is the president of the Hungarian Handball Federation. He graduated from the Calvinist Secondary Grammar School of Lányai Street in 1999. He received his Juris Doctor degree at the Pázmány Péter Catholic University in 2004. He participated in the joint graduate school of the Századvig Political School and the Corvinus University of Budapest as a policy expert between 2004 and 2006. He was a member of the far-right Hungarian Justice and Life Party between 1998 and 1999. According to himself, his membership lasted 2 or 3 months. Kocsis was delegated to the Budapest Electoral Commission by the Fidesz during the 2006 Hungarian parliamentary election. He was elected to the General Assembly of Józsefváros in the 2006 Hungarian local elections. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.